Come on. Fingers gone to garbage.
Come on.
Shove it in.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh!
Birdie finds it worse than
Eat the whole thing and then this is yours.
Tony's gonna choke on
Come on, puke!
Shove it in. At least we got milk. We got milk.
Get me a glass of milk, Birdie.
Birdie, get her a glass of milk.
Whatever.
She wants that $2.
Okay, you gotta save the rest of those seeds. That's enough.
Here, Birdie, put some in your
She did it! Come on, she did it!
You're gonna have shit with horns.
Oh, she's eating it.
Okay, you don't need to pull like you do. Oh yeah, Jolene needs a drink. Gotta be right to the brim.
Oh my god, Birdie, man. Look
Oh,
at
yeah,
this.
Jolene.
Shit.
Waste not, want not.
Drinking last night too. That's what's fucking nice. Look.
We're ready to go,
She's
Gee.
still going. She wants that $2 man. Come on. That's all she's doing for $2.
No, it's like $3.75.
About that.
Fucking loser.
Shut up, Dad.
Just shove it in so I can go.
Go with you, John. So fast, John.
Swallow it.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Nah.
Yeah. Don't complain to me. The light source coming. Take me back.
Then you gotta drink some rubbing alcohol.
Fucking burns more. You gotta drink some rubbing alcohol. Trying to kill her, literally, or not.
We'll finish that off, Joe. No. And I'm gone. One more bite. One more bite. One more bite.
You want to be like that fella on the show there? He ate the burger and he put the hot peppers on and he died on the thing.
Joe, one more bite and we'll call it worth it. There you go.
What is it? She's showing it to me.
Be more than $3.75 on the table.
Fucking right. I do it for 100.
For jalapeno.
I think I'd do it for 20. Okay, I might do it for 20, but I ate some of the seeds too.
How do you feel?
How do you feel? I'm on fire. She's fire.
Holy, that one's a nice one.
I know, very nice. Oh, let's stop. Oh. I'm done.
Okay.